Hey everybody, Steve Sheets here with GhostRanch Communications doing a quick tutorial today about pasting objects from one slide to another or from one template to another. This problem could get even worse. Basically, the problem that pops up sometimes is that your content will lose or change its formatting or maybe not even appear in the same place. So we're going to talk about how to get your content in the same place, looking the same exact way. For example, we'll just start with this slide right here. See, I really like everything that's on here, and I just want to select all of it and copy it and then paste it onto this slide because I just like this background more. And here we go, perfect example. The color of all the text changed. It looks like it's in the right place, but yeah, font's different sizes, some bullet points popped up here. I don't even think it's the same font, but in any case, really not what I wanted. This is exactly the problem I was talking about. So a lot of times what we would do is just come over to this paste options menu and select keep source formatting, but you'll see that's not an option. I could paste it as a picture and then it would look exactly like it did on the previous slide, but then I can't go in and edit it. So I don't want to do that. So I'll open this up here and we can talk a little bit more about what's causing it. Real quick before we dive into how to fix it, go ahead and delete this. So I'm going to insert a new copy of this slide. That'll just show us what the problem is here. You see we've got a title placeholder, a subtitle placeholder, and another placeholder here for that extra content at the bottom. If I insert a new copy of this slide, you can see we've got two placeholders on this slide that have absolutely nothing to do with the placeholders on this slide. There's nothing for a title or anything like that. So basically when you paste the content in, because it was in these placeholders up here and there's nothing new for it to relate to, it just doesn't know what to do with itself and it goes back to some default formatting. So how we solve this problem, I'm going to come back here to this slide. I'm going to go ahead, select my three placeholders again. I'm going to copy them, and then this is just for our reference here. I'm going to change the color of this font so we can tell this is the old copy. Now I'll go ahead, I'll paste my content back in. And you can see everything looks right. It's the right size. It's almost in the right place. It's the right formatting. I'm going to go ahead and hit group. And I'm just going to move it a little bit to make sure it's out of the way. I'm going to hold shift and select this other placeholder here. And this is going to help us get it back in the right place. I'm going to go to arrange, align left, arrange, align top. Now I've got everything in the right spot. I just need to deselect it so I don't have that red copy in the back. Make sure I grab the edge of my group. I'm going to go ahead and cut it or copy it, whichever is fine. Come back to the layout that I want to paste it onto, hit paste, and you can see now it's pasting correctly. So what happened was when we made new copies of this content, it disassociated it from the placeholders that were causing the problem to begin with. We were able to paste it on here correctly. And then all I want to do, just because I want this layout to look a little nicer, is just kind of move everything down for my own peace of mind here. But this is really it. We solved the problem, and I hope this was helpful for you. Feel free to reach out to us at GhostRanch Communications for all your PowerPoint needs, as well as any other marketing materials. We'd be more than happy to hear from you and help you out. Thanks so much, and have a great day.